Got some blizzard conditions here in NYC today. It's pretty nuts. I don't know why I'm here at work. I'm the only one here. I'm a sucker. Yesterday, people in the city started salting the sidewalks before it even started snowing. That was last night. And I was really surprised to find out that the city closed the schools yesterday. You know, for today. They announced that the schools were going to be closed today, yesterday at about 11 o'clock in the morning. I don't think it's ever been done. The entire time I was in the New York City school system, the schools never closed. Then a year after I graduated, it closed 2 days in a row. So I'm just getting screwed left and right. Alright.